Assalamu alaikum, this is Umar Numan, and what I'm about to talk about this video and whatever I'm about to say is something that is well overdue. It is something that I haven't properly acknowledged, it is something that I haven't properly talked about, addressed, taken accountability for properly. So this video is exactly that. So in order to understand this, you need to understand that last year 2019 was a very transformative year for me. It was completely transformative because in 2019 I was called out on Instagram for mistakes I had made a year ago. So in 2019 I was called out for mistakes I had made a year ago or 2 years ago, or in some cases three years ago. So it took me a proper year from 2019 to 2020. It took me a year to properly fully understand what exactly I did wrong, and understanding which sort of boundaries I had violated, and to properly fully take accountability for the emotional pain that I've caused a lot of people. So in order to understand all of this, I will now tell you कि क्या हुआ था. Now, in order to understand this all properly, in order to let everyone know कि exactly क्या हुआ था, I think it is very important that I lay everything out, like completely, and it's not gonna make me look like a good person. It's not. It's just not. But yeah, I think this is extremely necessary for me to talk about. So this is exactly what happened. Back in 2017 and 2018, when I was 18 and 19 years old. So currently I'm 21. Back when I was 18 and 19 years old, I was talking to a bunch of girls online, and the youngest girl was 16. The youngest girl I was talking to was 16. And these conversations that I was having with them were flirtatious, and sometimes they would turn sexual in nature, which is something that I would initiate at times. And keeping in mind that I was 18 and these girls were 17, 16, and I was at a time when I was 19, one of the girls was 17. These girls were minors. So there is literally genuinely no justification for that. So there is no justification for an 18 or a 19-year-old having sexual conversations with 17-year-olds or 16-year-olds. It is just wrong. Now there is no excuse whatsoever for me doing any of this. I gaslit and manipulated a bunch of these girls. There were 7 to 8 girls in total in a year. So when I was from the ages of 18 to 19, I gaslit and manipulated a total of 7 to 8 girls, and I can't even imagine the amount of emotional grief and trauma that might have caused these people, because these people actually, they were my friends. Like ऐसी नहीं था कोई random लड़कियाँ थी. These people were actually my friends, and I took advantage of the fact that they were my friends, and then I would gaslight and manipulate them, and then have these conversations with them, and then ghost them completely, which is not at all okay. Now a lot of people have these weird assumptions कि I haven't apologized, मैंने इसकी पहले accountability नहीं ली थी. You need to understand that I was called out on the 22nd of September 2019. Today is the 3rd of December 2020. I started my YouTube channel on the 3rd of December 2019. So I was called out before I had a channel. So when you say, Umar, where is your apology video? Why didn't you take accountability? I was called out on my previous account, which was called Why Umar Why. That account doesn't exist anymore. I uploaded a 10-minute apology video literally the next day. I was called out and I took accountability. I apologized publicly and privately. I did all these things. And I'm not trying to say, oh, I've done this, मैं पहले से माफ़ी मांग चुका हूँ तो मेरा पीछा छोड़ दो. I'm not saying that. What I'm trying to say is that I wasn't ignorant about this. I was not ignorant. When I was called out, I understood what I did wrong, and then I apologized for it literally the next day. But you can't find that video anywhere because I deleted that account. And with that account, the video went away as well. And the reason I deleted that account is because I was getting threats. I was getting death threats. My family, my sister, my friends, everyone was getting literal death threats from random strangers online, which really scared me, really scared me, to the point where I thought, I should just delete my account. And that is exactly what I did. Now I know, now this is something that I know, that whatever I do, me taking accountability, apologizing or anything, kuch bhi kar lo, it's not going to lessen the pain for these people. It's never going to lessen the pain. But I can assure you that I literally, genuinely think about this every single day of my life. I've been literally making a conscious, constant effort to be better, to educate myself and to unlearn a lot of like toxic behaviors that I had. And I had to go to behavior therapy for the longest time. I had a year to literally just self-reflect and become and be better. And I've been trying to do that. I've genuinely been trying to do that. Now, now without taking away from this apology, I want to really just make this statement that there is a lot of misinformation going around. There is a lot of misinformation going around. I know there are pages, drives, websites and all of these things, and they've been literally just spreading so much stuff, but I will not apologize or even talk about the things that I haven't done, because why would I? I will only talk about the things that I have done, and I've already done that. I've already talked about those things. So I can assure you, I just need to make this clear, none of the girls were under the age of 16. I never ever met any of these girls in real life. These were all girls, these were all online, and I never ever sent anyone any sort of unsolicited picture ever. That is just something I have not done. But regardless of that, this apology stands for all the victims who were hurt and affected by my behavior. And this apology also is for those people who are put under such scrutiny because they support me or they watch my content. I am so sorry that you have to go through that. I am just really sorry.